Alright guys, it's Billy, back here at Team Scrubboat. First time I've been running dogs in about a month and a half. At number 1, first drive of the morning, November 5th I think. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully we can get some action, and hopefully we can kill a deer in front of you guys. Alright, I'll see you guys later.
Alright, it's Saturday, November. Already in November. I think it's like the 5th, but you know, I'm me and dates. I'll call it August for I know. This is what I'm looking at this morning. We're hunting what we call behind Brantley's, and I got like 15 is down there, but we're kind of cheating up this way because I like to cross this field right here, sometimes cut out through here, but I'll get you turned back on as soon as the dogs are gone.
Good morning, YouTube. Saturday, November the 5th, Hunters Chapel Hunt Club. We're hunting right here behind Brantley's again. Stand number 2 right here on the road, Highway 362. A little bit foggy this morning, so we're gonna see how it goes. We'll turn you back on in a few.
All right, we fixing to go. Come on. Let's go. Come on here, come on here. Hey. Let's go. Come on, Hip. Hey, Hip. Get a bit, Hip. Get a bit, Hip. Hey, Hip. Come on, Hip. Hip. Get a bit, Hip. Hey, Hip. Get him a Hip. Get him a Hip. Come on here, Deuce. Curly, Hip. Not Deuce. God dang. Come on, Mo. Curly, Hip. Chloe, the three-legged bandit. Look at Chloe. Oh, hey, Chloe, Chloe. Hey, Chloe. Get him, Chloe. Woo! Get that tail wagging. Get it, girl. Hunt him in there, girl. Woo! Hunt him in there, girl. Woo! Woo! Get him, Chloe. Get him. Y'all better go to Mabel. Yay! Get to Mabel. Yay! Chloe, go to Mabel. Yay! Come on, let's go to Mabel. Come on. Come on, that's Mabel's serious bark. Come on. Get to him. Go to him. Go to him. Go to him. There you go. Get him.
Chloe, what you doing with Daddy's scent killer? What you doing?
I'm washing
You washing?
cars.
Huh? Oh, be careful.
Big dog.
Chloe running on her own. 200 yards. She just crossed the road. Look at that track.
Don't fix it. I won't fix it.
Oh, no. Oh, there's Bubby.
Puppy. Little puppy. Little puppy.
No, we're gonna let it run.
Mabel, it's okay. Woo, woo, woo. Come on. Mabel. Come on here. Hey, Chloe girl. Woo. Mabel. Woo. Woo. He calling me? I'll come get it. Meet me right here. Thank you. Go ahead, I had to come back for my radio. Oh God, that's off. Go ahead for Ben, I had to come back for my radio. Oh, well. Ah! Woo! Well, hey, big fella.
There goes the turkey.
Ha! Whoop! Ha! Whoop! Get out of here! Whoop! There goes a tucky. Gobble, 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 gobble. Whoop! Spider webs too.
All right, hunt number 3. in the cotton field at OT9. Hopefully we have some luck. Forgot to do an intro second hunt, but I didn't see anything anyways, so it's alright. But we'll see what happens with this hunt, and I'll turn you guys back on there, cut the dogs loose. Alright guys.
Oh yeah. Hey, 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 hey. All right. Line him up.
Okay, well, my dogs ain't quite got to the turkey cut. I don't know. I might try to get out there and get them real quick.
Somebody's dog's smoking them.
Yeah, I think Chad turned out on them.
All right. Line him up. All right, Ben, I'm turned out, so I'm gonna start driving.
Okay, go ahead. That's what I thought. That's right. I think Chad must have turned out on them too. Them two shots right there must have been in front of Ben's dogs. Who was that, Shane? I don't know who that was. It sounded like it was around that pond in front 4 or something like that.
It was R4, a visitor that boy brought.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Come on here, get him, man. Yeah, yeah.
All right, first hunt after lunch. I'm on HB13 on the new property. Had a little camera issues a while ago. I've already shot straight ahead of me, probably a doe, probably 150 yards going left to right. So thought this triple aught might reach her, but I heard it hitting the corn out there. So the camera's rolling right now. So they just turned out about 10 minutes ago. We're rolling. There we go.
I think that was Justin. I told him to walk that cut down in front of him because Chad didn't touch it. Temple.
Woo! Woo! Ah! Woo! Ah! Get out of here! Get out of here! Ah! Whee! Get out of here! Did he come out of there, little Billy?
Right when you walked out, he came from behind us in his pasture. Then he ran the wood line and went over there to OT 10 and he got him.
10-4, he killed him, eh?
Yeah, I was gonna get a shot, but I couldn't see nothing of him. He was running too far away, but that guy got him over there.
Is it a buck deer?
Either a small rack or a spike.
All right, 10-4. Well, that big buck's still in here. I'm gonna run him out this little finger to you. Hang tight.
Yeah, I mean, you can still run me a big buck.
I'm on it.
Camera on camera. You can show it both ways. Link it side by side.
Tony, I tried.
Oh, I know. I appreciate it. You got a bunch of footsteps in today. You got a bunch of footsteps in today.
Where'd that deer come out of over there you shot at?
Straight. And I looked up and it was 150 plus. I could hear the triple all hit the corn out there, but he turned and went straight into there. And that dog man, whoever that is, they got on it. You know, he overwalked it. The dog started back trailing up the field. You wanna ride?
Yes, sir.